Mayroon bang Human Rights Commission na magpapakain sa pamilya niyo pag kayo namatay? Wala, di ba? Kasi bunuhin yung buhay kayo palagi. Huwag kayo bigyan ng chance na pakain kayo. Okay? Yes, sir. So, continue with your good job. I am very happy and very satisfied. Sana, before
In recognition of his exemplary performance, the GPNP from the University of East Kaimar will be presenting a 9mm pistol Glock firearm to the Inspector Audito Sabula. Correction, it is the latest model of the Glock 30 caliber 45 pistol with more stopping power.
Wala pang sign.
this Glock 30 caliber 45 pistol is courtesy of Trust Trade. They want to make our personnel feel important for what they are doing. So to make them more motivated in the performance of their duty, Trust Trade gave us a number of Glock pistols for our deserving personnel. So I am awarding this to Police Chief Inspector Sabula. I will give you this Glock to you, isang komisyon. Marami pang kriminal na tumumbaw nito, ha? Marami pang kriminal na tumumbaw nito. Bukan dito. Ako itong tatlo dapat tumumbaw yun, hindi yung tatlo. So, okay, next time, 45, talaga tumumbaw yun.
Let's give our awardee, of course, the GPNP award round of applause. For the information of the GPNP, this is the recovered firearm, sir, from the suspect. A 9mm Tokarev pistol. It is will be subjected to ballistic examination so that we will be able to determine if this firearm has been used in other criminal incidents, especially in shooting cases. So, another one criminal less off the street and another firearm recovered by the PNP.
Oh, bakit hinawakan?
Ladies and gentlemen, just would like to emphasize, everyone, yung mga pagdudula ng karamihan na talagang ginagawa namin sa operations ay sadyang pinapatay ng mga drug personalities. Ito yung panangga namin, pag-ibita rin nila. Hindi na ang sabi ating pulis, patay ang ating pulis. Tatlo sila, may baril. At saka, meron tayong isa doon na nangyari sa Pasay, Explorer, patay. Lumaban yung drug cruiser. Hitman yun ang isang drug. Kaya talagang pagpasok na ng pulis natin, tinutukan kaya patay mo ng police. So, napakita na namin sa inyo, that the lives of a policemen in the streets are in constant threat. Hindi po pwede yung hintayin namin na tutukan muna kami bago kami mag-responde, bago lang sa neutralize. Hindi na namin ang arm and dangerous yan. Talagang akman dumulot, hindi na namin hintayin naman pagkakulot sa akin. Kasi pag bumulot yan, hindi na bumulot pa rin. Ibaril sa ulo nila. Ibaril na nalagay sa iyo. Diba? That's a practical way. Kailangan street smart na ating kapulisan. Palagi. At kahit gano'n naman, because of the trend ko rin sa akin, para bukad na sa trend, namala sa aking pulis. Ito tayo. So, that's all. Thank you for coming. And from here, we will go to doon sa isang pulis natin na lumatay. At bigyan natin ng assistance for the kanyang pamilya. Punta kami sa pamilya. Thank you, everyone.
Again, thank you to the members of the media, our guests today. Thank you again, sir.
In the national capital, everything is in honor and credit not only for himself and the executive office but for the whole PNP organization as well. By command of Police Director General De La Rosa, official, from Lawrence